Basic knowledge of IK and FK. Here I'm going to explain the different ways to move human body, especially arms and legs. IK is the abbreviation of inverse kinematics. It's the method of moving arms and legs just like puppets. FK is the abbreviation of forward kinematics. It's the method of moving arms and legs by rotating each bone, such as upper arm or upper leg, individually. Here I have a model with bones unnecessary for explanation hidden. You can see the bones of upper arm, lower arm, and also a backward bone. The backward bone sticking out from the wrist is for IK. Let's start with explanation of IK. You can move the arms and legs of a puppet by pulling the strings attached to them. With IK, the IK bone plays the same role as the strings of a puppet. Let's pull the IK bone upward. As you can see, the arm was pulled up just like a puppet. Let's put it back. Next, I'll explain FK. With FK, you choose the individual bone and move arms and legs by rotating the bone. Let's select the upper arm and rotate it. You can see that the upper arm rotated and the lower arm are also rotating, being pushed by the upper arm. Now that I've explained the differences between IK and FK, I'd like to explain the advantage and disadvantage of each. Let's put a ball in front of the body. Try to hold this ball. With IK, you only have to pull IK bone to the ball. On the other hand, with FK, not only the rotated bone, but the next bone will rotate too. So you have to rotate not only the upper arm, but the lower arm too, which is quite complex. You can see that when you want to move the hand to a certain position or have it stay on the position, it's better to use IK. Now let's see where FK works better. Let's select and rotate the upper arm. You can see that the tip of the hand is drawing a perfect curve. Let's put it back. Now switch to IK. Pull IK bone to the position where you did with FK. You can see that the tip of the hand is now drawing a straight line. This is because IK bone creates a straight line between the keys. Let's add another key between the keys. You can see that even then, the hand is moving on two straight lines. As you can see, to swing an arm naturally, it's better to use FK. You need to switch between IK and FK depending on the situation. That's all for the basic explanation of IK and FK. Thank you for watching.